Hello, good day to my dearest future employer. My name is Annabel Damasing. I come from Negros Occidental, Philippines. I am 48 years old, married with one daughter, 28 years old. I am a high school graduate. I have work experience in Cyprus for 4 years from 2021 to 2025. I serve one couple and their 16-year-old child. My duties included cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, marketing, washing the car, and feed the cats. I made sure that the house was always organized and that the child daily needs, school routines, and meals were properly prepared. I have work experience in Macau for 3 years, from 2017 to 2020. I worked in Macanese Chinese family. During this period, I took care of two young children aged 5 and 3 years old, which required extra patience, energy, and attentiveness. I assisted them with bathing, brush teeth, feeding, changing clothes, preparing their school things, playing, and guiding them their daily routines. Because they were still very young, I ensured their safety at all times and helped them developing in good manners and basic learning skills. I do also household chores such as laundry, ironing, cooking, cleaning, and marketing. I also have work experience in Taiwan as a nanny for 5 years. I work in Taiwanese family. I was entrusted with a care of a 2-month-old baby which required full full attention, gentleness, and dedication. My duties included bathing, feeding, changing diapers, put the baby to sleep, and sing lullaby, monitoring baby's health and daily condition. Taking care of an infant taught me how to be patient, careful, responsible, especially in delicate situation. To my dearest future employer, I am trustworthy, hardworking, responsible, reliable, and honest. If you giving me a chance to work in your family, I assure that I love your children as my own, and I promise to follow your instructions and rules, and also I promise to finish my contract. Thank you very much and have a good day. I hope to see you in Romania.